guys, welcome back to another vlog, and for this video I decided to do a voiceover guys. And siguro kung nakita nyo yung aking post last 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks na yata, hindi ko na sure guys. I just posted like a picture of me and my dad. As you already have seen it, you already knew that my father just passed away. So 2 days before nawala yung papa ko, we got really busy sa apartment namin, and ito yung video na the day before kami nag-transfer. So nag-transfer kami ng apartment March 7 and March 8 yun sa Pinas, which is the day na nawala na yung papa ko. And it was really a hard week guys. Even the 2 weeks before na nawala yung papa ko, ang hirap, but I tried my best to cope sa pinagdadaanan ko. And by the way guys, mahirap din siya kasi aside sa pag-move namin sa apartment, if alam nyo and naranasan nyo nang mag-transfer ng apartment dito sa US, mahirap siya kasi kailangan mo asikasuhin yung pag-transfer ng address, transfer ng electric, basta guys, pag-set up ng apartment. So basically, nung week na namatay yung papa ko, I got really busy sa pag-set up ng aming apartment. At the same time, I keep on calling my family sa Pilipinas para matulungan sila sa mga decision making. And basta guys, busy siya, and hindi ako masyadong nakapag-grieve talaga kasi madami akong iniisip. But nung na siya guys, umupa na siya, ito na yung time na nag-order ako ng mga pakunti-kunting gamit sa Amazon tsaka sa Temu. Yun yung pinagkabisihan ko guys, kasi binigyan pala ako ng 24 hours na bereavement ng aking manager, and yun lang ang maibibigay kasi under orientation pa ako, kakastart ko lang. And ayun guys, kahit na ipagdikit niya yung aking mga duty sa the next like 2 weeks, ang mabibigay lang talaga sa akin is total of 8 days off, including na yung bereavement ko. So I decided not to go home na lang, and alam ko naman na nasabi ko na halos lahat yung gusto kong sabihin sa papa ko. So I tried to record pala yung mga days guys na alam niyo yun, nasa apartment ako. Ko talaga kayang mag-video guys na magsalita sa camera kasi medyo naiiyak pa din ako, and I decided to do this voice over na lang kasi mas easy na ganun, yung hindi ako mako-conscious kasi syempre fresh pa yung mga pangyayari, and hindi na ako nag-upload ng sit-down video. By the way, I tried to do a sit-down video na parang life update, pero in-erase ko na guys, di ko kaya kasi I am not mentally okay. Physically, medyo drained din ako sa mga pinagagawa ko. And nasa vulnerable state talaga ako. So, lahat ng mga sinasabi ko is like in between, na iiyak ako. So, hindi ko na siya in-upload, and I decided to just do a voiceover na lang. So, ayan guys. By the way, itong part na to, nagbi-build ako ng shoe cabinet. And binili ko siya sa Temu kasi mas mura doon. And guess what? Nahirapan ako dito guys kasi ang hirap ng instruction. Super complicated. Ang daming mga pieces na like kailangan mong intindihin talaga kasi hindi clear guys yung ibang steps.
Down that road, but I don't know where it goes. So we dance around it.
So ayan guys, I'm just giving you an update kung ano na yung nangyayari sa akin, and I hope in the next days I will be able to upload more videos. Meron pala akong isang video guys, mga a week before nagkasakit yung papa ko or lumala yung sitwasyon ng papa ko, nakapag-record pa ako ng sit down video sharing my journey shifting from travel nursing to full staff guys or full-time staff na. Siguro yun yung susunod na video na i-upload ko. By the way, sa mga friends ko dyan sa Pinas na nag-message sa akin, doon sa aking main Facebook tsaka Instagram. Sorry kung hindi ko kayo na-replyan lahat. And ito na yung update kasi naging busy talaga ako. Ang dami kong kailangan gawin and ayun, yun na yung update ko. And salamat sa lahat ng nag-send ng condolences sa aming family. And I'm still grateful kasi nakauwi kami nung December 2024. Bumalik kami kasi dito January 2025 if you can remember. At least nakapag-spend ako ng time sa papa ko. So ayun you guys, yun na yung update. I will try my best to go back to vlogging. But hindi ko sure kung kailan. I'm trying my best guys na bumalik sa pag-edit. Yun nga lang nahihirapan ako kasi may time pa din na parang, alam mo yun, yung wala kang gana. Ganon. So, anyway, ayoko nang kasi maingiyak-iyak na naman ako dito. But, yeah guys, that's the update. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.
What if we were meant to be this whole time? Just miss the signs. Imagining a world where we made it out alive. Didn't waste no time. I kinda wanna do this, but I don't know if you feel the same way. Should I tell you how I feel or just dance around it? I kinda wanna take us down that road, but I don't know where it goes. Should we dance around it? And all these childlike things, like fights and bickering, first dates and paper rings, and all these childlike things. What if we make believe, hide away amongst the trees, making potions out of leaves, hide and seek in closets empty. If you're the first person to find me, just don't tell them what you've seen. So I think that I might make up for lost time that we wasted. So next time our paths realign, we'll catch up on past lives and laugh about these childlike things, like fights and bickering, first dates and paper